Okay, Kefrel's compound's on the other side of this valley, just past the Gilad Bridge.
So who is this guy exactly?
The guy from Al-Bashir's phone, an arms dealer.
That's all they know?
That's all we know. He could be connected to those nukes.
All misfit call signs advance to 1-6 westing on Route Red. Break. They've made contact with a squad-sized force. Over.
Roger that. Can you confirm the size?
1-3, I have no further information out.
Hey, Makovich, wake up! It's enough sleep, Dream Warrior.
34 minutes. I was asleep for 34 minutes. Drinking a vanilla milkshake. Does that mean something?
Oh, shit! Ambush left! They're in the trees! People down, taking fire from the left! Enemy behind the rock! Left side! Been down! God damn it!
Russian Paris. Real Russians, what does that mean? Maybe they're working for Kefrel.
Look, either way, Steve, I'm concerned that we are slightly overmatched here.
We got a job to do. Those nukes?
It's Misfit.
Let's go talk about it.
Oh, we can't go through them. No way, no how.
Enemy units down there setting up. Airdrop rules out a straight route.
So what the hell's going on here?
They're here for the same reason we are, Sergeant.
We at war with Russia now? Is that what's happening?
You fired upon?
Yes.
Doctrine says you can return fire if fired upon. That's not war. Not technical. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
I'm saying we need to get there first. You think the Russians are here just because? They're covering their asses. We know they're working with the PLR. Now let's move it out.
Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna finish one war by starting another. That is our fucking standing.
Montez, you heard the orders. Let's go!
Can't go through them. No way, no how.
Fall in and prepare to move.
Targets, coax, troops.
We have to get to the other side of the valley, ASAP. We have solid intel on Russian infantry moving in a northerly direction. They're tipping their hand to Kavrov's location. He's who we want. He's who we came for. We're bounding across to the next checkpoint. Understood? Counterattack! Contact! Tree line to our front. Troops in the open. 200. Rapid rate.
Enemy behind cover! Front!
Eyes open.
Right. On me. Let's go. Marching gun! Move right! Move right!
Spread out on the right flank. Covering fire.
Line them up! Engaging!
advancing on our position. I see him! Blackbird! Hold your section! One back! Contact! Red front! You got contact!
Sir, we are not equipped to take on a Russian brigade. Maybe we ought to rethink this.
This is maneuver warfare, Sergeant. If you don't like it, you can go join the fucking Air Force. Gentlemen, you have never let me down before. Now I fully expect you to accomplish this task.
Absolutely, sir.
No, Steve, look, I'm sorry, but that is completely unreasonable. I have serious reservations about this task.
Sergeant Campo, Blackburn, push on as required.
That's fast air! That ours, is it? Shit! Did he see us? Did he see us?
Oh, he's doubling back. Holy fucking shit! Come on! They're in the vehicle! Shit! It's coming back again! We're fucked! Stingers were in the labs! That was the last of them! Can we get him? We're gonna have to! Come on, man, let's go! Hurry! Here it comes! Go! Go! Find the stinger! It's in the growler! Fucking cut off! Stay low! Move, move, move! Incoming!
Push up, goddammit! Push up!
Shit! Blackbird! Lock edge! Search the growler! Now, back of edge! Go, go, go! Is it in there? It's caught in the fucking wreck! Oh! Fucking dick, Steve.
All right, I know what you're thinking. Maybe if I'd have done something different, they'd both still be here. This is a war. And things happen in a war. Now, we still have a job to do. We have to get to Kafarov, and we have to get to him first, whether the nukes are there or not.
There's no way. There's just us. There's you.
It's on you, Marines. Are you coming with me?